Berry. We got Clarkia sauce, illegal as hell. Toxic waste. And topical chili pepper. In there.
Spread it all around. Hold on.
That's why Candyman
mad
killed
sauce
me.
in there still.
There wasn't.
Trying to cheat.
You guys said they weren't pure or anything.
Oh, bitch.
They looked like they didn't act like.
2 fingers.
They
3.
were traits.
Vasco sauce.
She has inside and
In
out.
there.
Shit look delicious.
Woo! What?
He's getting it better on this one.
Oh man, he earned it.
Oh, bro.
Fuck it, like, you know.
It's a wrap, son.
Yeah.
Fucking hot.
Fucking did it, man.
Which one did he do?
All 3.
Dumbass.
I know, man.
Woo, bro. Seriously, you might want to have that all one on speed dial, bro.
Yeah, no, Joe, especially when he goes in the bathroom and flames are coming out of his ass, then you're gonna want 911 there.
No,
Put out fire.
Alright, man. I'm gonna go get my pack of cigarettes. Have a good night.